Yes, ma'am.
We've got a room here tonight. What name is it under?
Sprinkle.
If you look at the map upside down, this is the way you're facing, so the river is just to your right. Liverpool's got a lot of history, so like even on this street, this is like the oldest street.
So we finally made it to Liverpool, and my first thought is, how is it so cold out here when it's 100 degrees back home?
I know, but it's pretty. Like, as soon as the sun hits you, it's fine.
And there's the ferry we just came off of.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
This one or this one?
I like the one with the seats.
The seats? Thank you.
Hey guys, so we got off the ferry around 7:30. It's about 10:30 now. We've been walking Liverpool for a couple hours. So we're about to go get us something to eat, and then hopefully by then it's time to check into our hotel.
Yeah, that way we can take some showers, brush our teeth, and maybe even take a nap for a minute.
Well needed.
Yeah, we didn't get that good of a sleep on the ferry. You gotta do what you gotta do. It was $40. That was like our hotel and transport to get here, so.
But it was a really good ride though. Being able to sleep with the motion. Alright guys, see y'all.
tight.
Closing. Second floor doors open.
Okay, and we're room 205. This way. Look at this room.
Did they upgrade us?
This is so nice. We have a bay window.
How do you turn the shower on? Or the light?
The light? Oh, we gotta put our key in the thing.
We have lights.
This is cool.